Hello, today we are going to go over how to remove filament that is stuck in the extruder. Let's get started. What you need is a hex key that came with the printer. Now if you have filament that broke off inside the extruder, it is actually really easy to remove it. First, you have to preheat the printer. Once you have preheated the printer, take your hex key and put it through the filament guide hole and push the filament down as best as you can. Once you have done that, take a strand of new filament. Now take the strand of new filament and feed it through like you normally would. This will push the broken filament down into the nozzle. If it slipped like right here where you can't align it anymore, simply take your hex key and push the remainder down. Afterwards, feed the new filament down and through the nozzle. That is how you'll remove the filament that is stuck in the extruder. That is the end of our tutorial. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. In the meantime, keep 3D printing.